Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly amazing, a natural wonder that many of us probably have in our kitchens right now. I'm talking about ginger. This knobby, aromatic root might not look like much, but trust me, it's packed with an incredible array of benefits that have been recognized for centuries across different cultures. You see, ginger isn't just for adding a spicy kick to your food or a comforting warmth to your tea. It's a powerhouse of compounds, especially one called gingerol, which is responsible for a lot of its magical properties. Think of gingerol as the main superhero in this root, doing a lot of the heavy lifting when it comes to your health. Now, let's talk about why so many people swear by ginger, especially when they're feeling under the weather. One of its most famous talents is its ability to calm a queasy stomach. Ever felt a little seasick, or maybe just a bit queasy after a rich meal? A bit of ginger can really work wonders. It helps settle your digestive system, making those unsettling feelings fade away. This is why you often hear about it being used for motion sickness, morning sickness during pregnancy, and even for post-surgery nausea. It's like a gentle hug for your tummy, if you will. But its benefits don't stop there. Ginger is also a fantastic anti-inflammatory. What does that mean? Well, inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or irritation. But sometimes it can go a bit overboard, leading to pain and discomfort. Ginger helps to dial down that excessive inflammation, which can be really helpful for things like sore muscles after a workout, or even for everyday aches and pains. Imagine a soothing balm from the inside out. That's ginger at work. And for those chilly days, or when you feel a sniffle coming on, ginger can be your best friend. It has properties that can help support your immune system, giving your body a little extra boost to fight off those common seasonal bugs. A warm cup of ginger tea can feel incredibly comforting and genuinely help you feel better when you're feeling run down. It warms you from the inside and seems to just clear your head. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't just walk past the ginger. Pick some up, whether you grate it into your stir-fries, steep it for a comforting tea, or even add it to your smoothies. Incorporating this incredible root into your routine can bring a whole host of fantastic health benefits. It's a simple, natural way to give your body some extra love. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.